Alright guys, still about time for the episode. So the last tutorial we stopped for this part of our design, or put this background and this circle like this. So I want to say for this next video, now this aside here, now this navigation I want run. So quickly now we'll jump to code and we'll see how to tidy this one now. So without do, I'll come in there here now. So inside this landing now, so we go create aside tag. Then this aside now, I'll create div. So the div now, I'll call them disk. You get, I'll call the div disk. Then I'll go my browser. Hold on. My internet. Because we use that iron icon. You get. So that'll do. Sorry. I'll come here now. I'll say iron icons. So this icon here, we search for disk. Yeah, yes. See this one. You get. So you see, I say resemble which we'll get here, be. So this one I will select, then we'll say field. Or we select sharp now, be. We'll select the sharp. So I'll copy this one, then I'll come back here. So inside the disk now, we'll paste down like this. You see, I'll save, go to my browser and I refresh. It's in there somewhere here, but when we enter CSS now, you see and say you'll go tidy down well. So after this disk now, I'll create nav. So this nav, I'll say ul li no. Inside this ul, we'll create div. We'll call on scroll. Then we'll create list item. We'll create 3 list item. So the first list item now, we'll put this our mouse now, this SVG here. We'll put on. So I'll just copy the SVG. I'll paste them inside here. I'll paste them, then this L here now, this second L list item, I'll not put anything here. Then I'll come the third one. I'll create span. I'll call them scroll. So what do we do? So now the scroll. This one will be the scroll now. That is the SVG. Why this one will be the empty list item 1.0. But we use CSS target now so that we will put this border here. Then now the text now will write just now the scroll. So we'll create these social icons for here too. So after this div now, where will this scroll now? We'll create another div again. We'll call it social. So this social now, we'll get list item, 3 list item, and each of them will get anchor tag. So I just target this thing sharp. So this 3 now, we'll go back to iron icons and we will select Twitter. So I'll copy Twitter. I'll paste them inside here. I'll go back to iron icons. I'll copy Facebook. I'll paste them here. Then the last one we'll need now Instagram. So I'll go back. Instagram. I'll copy. and I'll go paste down here. Small refresh, must see. So you see all these things for here now, so abi. So we enter the style sheet now, our CSS now, we'll see how we tidy am. Or before we enter, we'll change this height to 25 pixel for the SVG so that the mouse it goes small again. You see, just small like this. So we'll come our style sheet here now, so I go target the aside. So wrapper dot landing dot no, I will say aside. So this aside now, I think maybe the height inherits or I'll drop 1000 pixel here. Then we'll set the width to 80 pixel, and we'll say make display be flex. Why the flex direction could be color. So I'll come down. I'll just duplicate this guy sharp. Cancel it to the inside. Then after the aside now, we'll target the disk. So the disk now, we'll set the height of this to 80 pixel. Then background color will be ash EE5454. Then display will be flex. Then we'll align the items to center. So that SVG now, that not the SVG. The iron icon now, so that disk will collect now go align to center. Then we justify content to center. Then we'll set the font size to 3 EM. What was that one first? So if we refresh now, see how say that you resemble, alright. So more work on that div now be scroll now. We see this, I'm gonna work on that one. So that I go do, I'll just copy. I'll copy this aside, then I'll say scroll dot scroll, then nav. So this nav now will say display flex, and we justify the content now to center. Then we'll set the height. We'll set the height to make the height inherits. Then padding will be sorry. Padding will be 4 EM, top and bottom, while the left and right will be 0. Now just say box sizing to border box so that the padding will be within this nav. So if I refresh now, okay, I'm not to get the effect yet. So mostly go. We'll target the UL. We'll say display flex, then flex direction will be column, and justify content to space between. Refresh. Okay. I'll set this height to 1000 pixel first, we'll see. All right. Anyhow, sha, mostly target this list items go. So UL, LI, then also make the color be white. Then list type will be none. And position we set to relative. Set to relative. Refresh. What's the issue? Nav scroll. Okay, we'll target this scroll. So what we'll do, we'll set display flex here. Then flex direction will be column. Align items to center. Okay. Okay. This one will come in the middle here. I inspect the elements. Nav UL. Side. Oh, no wonder. I did reference them wrongly. So, what we're supposed to do here, aside, if we go after aside, we'll get the nav UL before the scroll. So aside. So that means we're taking this one down. I'll speak English or the matter. All right. Then landing aside. We'll cancel this one. Cancel this one. Cancel this. One that know the CD effects is aside nav ULLI. Then aside nav UL. Alright, I think we should be alright. My refresh. Alright. So sorry for that rubbish. Wow, type just now. Everybody made mistake now, so now normal life. So anyhow, dot wrapper dot landing. So more continue. So we want bring out this line here. You see here, this line. So to bring out the line, I want to go do I'll just copy this one quickly. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then I'll target the li int child. Then I say 2. So I'll say border left to be 1 pixel solid RGBA. Then height, I'll set height to 100 pixel and top to 20 pixel. So I refresh and the sensor will get the screw. Sorry, the line for this place. I mean this line where you see now. We'll get her here. So that I go do. I go come down. I'll target end child 3, or I think just say last child. I'll target the last child. I'll set the font family. The font family could be Poppins. Okay. So I'll set the font family to Poppins. So Poppins sans serif. And the font size 0.7 em or 0.7 em, anyone you want to write. So I'll come down and transform rotate minus 90 degree. Top, I'll set top to like 30 pixel. So if I refresh, okay, this one's going to come down small. So I'll go back now, just take on to 60. Alright, so we'll get this one like this now. See how it all they come out. So we'll work on this 3 for button here now. So that'll do. I will this copy now it causes errors, and so I get so ul.social. So this social, I'll set display to flex, then flex direction. Flex direction will be column. Why I go align the items now to center. Then target the LI, the list item now inside the social part now. Then we'll set margin top to 50 pixel. Then we'll change those things to white. So now the anchor tag with the target for there. Then we'll set the color to ash FFF. Okay. So if we refresh now, you see how we don't get our design. You see how we don't get our design. So like this, we don't work on this side also want run for this video. So you know how it be now. Still your boy Big Time for Double Star Tag. We'll see you for the next video where we'll discuss how we run this main sizing for you. So anyhow, like the video, subscribe, and see you for the next part. Thank you.